In today's fast-moving manufacturing landscape, silos slow you down. When production, R&D, and supply chain systems operate in isolation, critical decisions are delayed, and opportunities are missed. That's why Calian is building an integrated solution, powered by Microsoft Fabric, to unify your operations into a single, intelligent platform. By connecting data across the factory floor, product development, and global logistics, we deliver real-time insights that drive faster innovation, smarter planning, and greater efficiency. No more disconnected systems. No more guesswork. Just one clear view, from raw materials to final product, and every step in between. With Calian and Microsoft Fabric, you gain the visibility to act, the agility to adapt, and the power to lead. Ready to unify your operations and accelerate performance? Learn more.